How to install artificial turf grass by Greatmats. Congratulations! You just bought your first rolls of artificial turf grass. Well, now you are probably wondering how to install it. Look no further. This step-by-step guide will show you the way. Before you begin, unroll the artificial turf and let the turf relax for 24 to 48 hours. Step 1. Clear away grass. Make sure the area you want to cover with turf is free of any grass or other vegetation. Use grass blocker and weed killer so nothing can grow under the turf layer. Step 2. Add decomposed granite, stone aggregate and level the area. These are popular base materials that easily conform to a ground structure. They are also permeable, so they can provide a smooth finish for the turf. Step 3. Weed barrier and turf. Once it is leveled, put 15 to 25-year weed barrier on top of the base. Then use landscaping staples to keep the barrier in place. You can then roll out the turf on top of the barrier. Step 4. Cut the turf and seam them together. Use a box cutter to cut the turf to the area it is covering. If you are installing more than one piece of turf, you will need to seam them together using a seam cloth and a urethane-based adhesive. Step 5. Nail down your turf. After your turf is laid down and the seams are glued together, you can secure it by using turf nails every 4 to 6 inches to attach it to the base. High traffic areas should be stapled, nailed to pressure-treated wood around the perimeter. Step 6. Fluff grass and add infill. Fluff the grass with a rake, so the infill can be poured on top. Add infill is recommended for particular product. Infill weighs the turf down and keeps the turf standing upright, giving it a natural grass feel. After you pour the infill, work it in evenly with the rake. Step 7. Enjoy your turf. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us through email, phone number, socials or through live chat at greatmats.com. Thank you.